You can see here our frostbite temperature versus timing with wind chills that we're seeing right now, -10 to -20 degrees. You can see a frostbite exposure in about 30 minutes. Now let's crank that forward to tonight into early tomorrow morning, as we'll see wind chills approaching -21 to -30, and that exposure time drops down to around 10 minutes for those early morning hours. If we do get any colder, or for areas that do happen to be a little bit colder, -31 to -40 degree wind chills, you could develop frostbite in just 5 to 10 minutes to expose skin. So dangerous to be outside and not be bundled up here over the next couple of days. In fact, let's take a look at our future track feels like temperatures for early Tuesday, 7 o'clock. Waking up, well, it's going to be feeling like -30 degrees for much of central Wisconsin. So extremely cold conditions out there for the early start of the day and the afternoon. Here's the warmest part of Tuesday afternoon. Sun shining across the area, still feeling like -15 to -20 degrees. So you're going to have to bundle up even if you're out there during the warmest part of the day on Tuesday afternoon. And thankfully, we do see some improvement into early Wednesday. You'll notice temperatures not nearly as cold as Tuesday morning, with temperatures around -15, but still, of course, dangerous cold if you're not properly bundled up. Let's take a look here at the satellite and radar picture. As we mentioned, bright skies out there today should continue for the vast majority of this next couple of hours. But of course, the sun is going to be setting here shortly, and then it'll turn much, much colder with the lack of sunshine. A weather system far south here continuing to push off to the east, not going to have any impact here on Wisconsin, other than maybe some cloud cover in the southern half of the state. And we do have some more cloud cover moving in from the northwest, so we won't see clear blue skies over the next couple of days, but significantly brighter than the gloomy conditions we had last week. Our future track forecast is going to show the increase of that cloud cover as we head into the overnight hours. So Tuesday we'll have definitely many more scattered clouds than today. But overall, the main thing you're going to notice is, well, it's cold outside. So it's going to be better spent indoors than outdoors, of course. As we head into Tuesday afternoon, you'll notice almost overcast skies starting to develop in some spots. And then into Tuesday evening, that starts to lessen up just a little bit. Tuesday night into Wednesday does have a small chance of a few flakes and flurries. You'll notice some very light spots of white and light blue developing here on the map, but you can see just how widely scattered they are, which means most of us not going to see any snowfall here over the next couple of days. In fact, probably won't see any snowfall over the next week. Very dry weather pattern as we head throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend. Wednesday afternoon, you can still see here mixed skies across the area, but overall should be fairly bright. Now our numbers today, we only hit 0 degrees here in Wausau. Very cold day outside. Average temperature 22, record 41. Thankfully, our low temperature, while it is cold, isn't as cold as the record, which is -36 degrees. That was set back in 1972. Tonight we drop down to -10, mainly clear. Bitter cold out there, especially with those winds out of the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Forecast tomorrow very similar to today. Temperatures right around 0 degrees, maybe a degree or so warmer, with partly cloudy skies and still a bit of a breeze. 7-day forecast tracking forward, 8 degrees on Wednesday, small chance of flurries, 10 degrees on Thursday with partly cloudy skies, 7 on Friday. Then the temperatures does start to warm up, 13 Saturday, 22 on Sunday, 35, well warmer than normal on Monday. And it looks like the end of the month will be warmer than normal, so we're going to keep our eye on that warming trend.